to use Rokid Hub.
How to use Rokid Hub. That's really important. So yeah, that's a big thing, but looks so small. But the function again is really big. So we're talking about switch in here. We're talking about the switch here, Nintendo Switch. Okay. It's about your gaming experience. If you also do live streaming and you play the games and you make money from that, that's really convenient, my friends. You want to try and another kind of experience. So Max 2 is really a big solution for you, my friend. That's why we're here and show you more about this. So how to do that? Easy. Type C. Here's one male port. We plug it in here. And two female ports. One for charging, another one for Max 2 for the glasses, okay? So let's do it and connect step by step. Just hold it for a while like this, please. That's right. So charge, type C in here. Okay. Type C in here. Then plug it in the socket.
Yes.
And put the Max 2 on. Okay. You got it, yeah? So, yep, I'm the gamer now. Good. And yeah, usually when you want to start, check, check. So, usually when you want to start it, okay, let me check. Here.
You want to remove them?
Yes, remove 1 and 2. So the mode to the Max 2 gonna be activated. Okay, check again. Yep.
Yeah, now I think it's
Now I see that. Yeah, that's right. So we're using our controller, okay, and we check our game. Let's have some race here, guys, okay? Let's have some race. Yeah.
Are you playing now?
Just give me a second. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I will. So yeah. A. Okay. A. Check this one.
I think he's somewhere deep in the game, right?
Yeah. So just why not? We can enjoy it. So my friends, so this is the way how you do it, how you enjoy it, and there's a big fun and big thing for you because this is about the Nintendo Switch and how we connect the Rokid Hub. Yeah. So
I
basically
think that's
like
one
that.
of the benefits that you literally can connect every device, right, to your AR glasses. So this is the biggest benefit.